For centuries, languages have been a defining characteristic of European cultures. Imagine French, German, English. They all belong to the Indo-European language family. But Hungary stands out. The Hungarian language is an outlier belonging to the Uralic family, spoken primarily in Finland, Estonia, and parts of Northern Asia. So how did this Uralic tongue end up spoken in Central Europe? The answer lies with the Magyars, a nomadic tribe who arrived in the Carpathian Basin around 900 AD. They conquered the region and established the Arpad dynasty, which ruled Hungary for over 4 centuries until 1301. King Bela III, who reigned from 1172 to 1196, was a direct, paternal lineage descendant of Grand Prince Arpad, who led this conquest, and was one of the most prominent rulers of this dynasty. Through conquests, he expanded Hungarian territory, while also promoting economic development and a flourishing of Hungarian culture. His reign marked a turning point in Hungarian history, transforming the kingdom into a major power in Central Europe. He is credited with promoting the use of written records in Hungary and adopting the two-barred cross as a symbol of the Kingdom of Hungary. The cross still appears on the coat of arms of Hungary to this day. On April 23, 1196, when Bela III was 47 or 48, he fell ill and died. His remains are currently interred in the Matthias Church in Budapest, alongside his first wife, Anna of Antioch. While his reign undoubtedly left an indelible mark on Hungary's destiny, the enigma surrounding his ancestry has long captivated historians and genealogists. Unlike his European contemporaries who spoke predominantly Indo-European languages, King Bela III's lineage hailed from a unique linguistic group, the Uralic-speaking Magyars. The origin of the Magyars as a tribal federation has been much debated in the past. Traditional narratives hint at connections to the Ural Mountains region in western Siberia. But is there any scientific evidence to support this theory? Fortunately, the relentless march of scientific progress has provided us with powerful tools to illuminate the mysteries of the past. In a groundbreaking endeavor, researchers in 2021 embarked on a mission to analyze the DNA of Bela III, the first such examination of a Hungarian ruler from this era. This unprecedented feat allows us to peer into Bela III's genetic heritage with unparalleled detail. One fascinating discovery concerns his Y chromosome, the genetic marker passed down from father to son. Bela III's Y chromosome belongs to haplogroup R1a, specifically to the ARP subclade within haplogroup R1az2123, which is common in Central Asia today. This lineage is unique to the Arpad dynasty, with its closest living patrilineal relatives found primarily among the Bashkir people of Bashkortostan in the Volga-Ural region. These two populations are estimated to have diverged in the early 1st millennium AD, and this finding supports a Central Asian origin for the ruling lineage of the Arpad dynasty. While the Y chromosome offers clues about the paternal lineage, it doesn't tell the whole story. Bela III's autosomal DNA, which reflects ancestry across the entire genome, painted a very different picture. It closely resembled that of present-day Eastern European populations, particularly Hungarians and Croatians. Furthermore, his mitochondrial DNA, which is passed down through the maternal line, belongs to haplogroup H1b, a common maternal lineage in Europe. He shares this maternal lineage with the renowned German composer and pianist Beethoven. These seemingly contradictory findings suggest a fascinating story. The Y chromosome evidence suggests a Central Asian origin for the Arpad dynasty's paternal line. However, the autosomal DNA reveals a significant influence from Eastern European populations in Bela III's genetic profile. How can we reconcile these seemingly opposing pieces of evidence? Scientists theorize that centuries of intermarriage between the Arpad dynasty and European noble families likely diluted the Eastern Eurasian ancestry in Bela III's genetic makeup. Over generations, repeated marriages with European nobility would have gradually introduced more European genes into the royal bloodline. Some genetic evidence suggests that Bela III had light skin and blue or green eyes. Furthermore, variants in the LCT gene indicate that he was likely able to digest milk without experiencing digestive discomfort. Bela III's story transcends the boundaries of Hungary, reminding us that throughout history, human societies have been constantly evolving and blending, creating the rich cultural mosaic we see today. So the next time you hear about Hungary, remember Bela III, the visionary ruler whose reign turned the nation into a Central European powerhouse.